What is the letter?
I got M.
M.
Yeah.
So let's go. The time is up.
ملب ملوح مرق Mariam. Oh, we can say names, right?
You have
Mal
10 seconds.
Malin.
Uh-huh.
Mahfuz. I don't know why I said that.
Yeah, 3 seconds.
Malab. Did I say Malab?
You said it. You only did 4 words.
No. Start.
What is the letter first?
G.
G. Ready? Go.
Guri. Gal. Galo.
That's a name.
But all names have meanings. Guri.
You said Guri already.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Gal. Guri.
Igalo.
Oh my God. Gaf.
Mm-hmm. 10 seconds.
Oh my God. Gary.
You said that already.
Did I already say Gary?
Yeah. Gari Guri Bigal.
I forgot.
But she won,
It's
right?
over, man.
Okay.
What is it?
L.
L.
About to
Ready?
say that L real quick.
Go.
Bismillah, I won't. Okay. Look. Lafo. Labaton. Lacag. Lacag. Liban.
No.
All names have meaning. Liban.
What is the meaning of Liban?
I'll Google that later.
Ora, no. 10 seconds.
Labatan. What the heck?
Yeah. No.
I got A.
Hey, ready?
Okay.
Go.
Okay. Abo. Arag. Oh my goodness. I mean. That has a meaning.
Go.
Alif.
No.
She's not gonna say ba, so don't worry. Hurry up, 5 seconds.
No.
Oh, stop.